father can recover sooner from a stroke by utilizing rehab. Rehab consists of physical therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and depending on his deficits, you could choose what therapy is the best. But just to give you an example, physical therapy could help out with his walking and his balance to decrease the risk of falls, any type of mobility, getting in and out of a chair, in and out of bed, off the toilet. Occupational therapy could help with those things such as activities of daily living, dressing, self-hygiene, meal preparation. Speech therapy consists of helping with linguistics and speaking better, and also swallowing. Sometimes you lose control of the muscles that you use to swallow, and you become at risk for aspiration, which can lead to pneumonia. So number one, I would look into rehab or the therapies. Aside from that, from a personal perspective, you want to make sure that your father is being as independent as possible. After an event like this, such as a stroke, we tend to want to help out a little more than we have to. So in following the therapist's plans and their home exercise program, try to have your father do as much as they can within the limitations of safety. Obviously, we want safety to be a main priority. And that's where we can come into play also as far as providing a caregiver. The caregiver that we send out can reinforce the things that therapies are doing.
Joe, that reminds me of a patient that we had named John. And John had a stroke, and when he first came to us, he was wheelchair bound, and he was very angry. But we helped him because every single day he was receiving physical therapy, and when you have a stroke, it's so important to have physical therapy because there's a marked improvement if the physical therapy is given right away. And eventually, he started to walk with the assistance of a walker, and we also had a caregiver with him at his home, and she actually helped him with the exercises that the therapist was showing. So there was a continuum of exercises that helped John improve, and John and his wife were so happy with our services, and honestly, John became a different person. Thank you for watching Allegiance Alert, and sign up for our newsletter in order to receive frequently asked questions when choosing an agency for your loved one.